This is Don DeBartolo, a senior commodity broker with Daniels Trading in Chicago. I am also the publisher of the Trade Spotlight advisory service. Trade Spotlight is broken into three segments: Trade Spotlight Futures, Trade Spotlight Commodity Options, and Trade Spotlight Future Spreads. This is Beyond the Spotlight, a video that's going to spotlight 2 or 3 markets that may become trading opportunities for this week, starting with Monday, July 8th. Please pause the video and read the risk disclosures so that you understand the risks involved with futures and commodity options trading. Before we jump into the charts, I have 2 charts for this week. Just want to show you a snapshot. This is the Trade Spotlight Futures segment. You'll get a write-up on the trade recommendation, a link to a chart, the precise entry order, and accompanying stop loss and target, so you have all the details you need to make a trade decision, as well as any other details such as margin requirements. Let's take a look at our first chart. This is the October 2019 sugar market, and I have drawn off a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. This is a trend reversal formation, so we'd be looking for the market to trade higher, to break out to the upside. You can see on Friday's session we had a big sell-off. Actually, these ranges have been quite large the past week and a half, so sugar has been volatile. Right now it looks like the trend is down based on the MACD indicator, and it's showing some downside momentum based on the stochastics indicator. I'm watching to see if the market will hold this low that I've drawn off, the number 3 point. That's the low of 1225 from July 2nd. So ideally, market comes down to this level, tests and bounce higher, and then we'd be looking for a hook in the oscillators and a breakout of this session high. That session high is 1265 from July 5th, from Friday. To play a little more conservative, we can wait for a break of this session high right here. That pivot point high is 1284 from June 28th. Some upside targets is this 200-day moving average at 1299. Then above here there is a potential ceiling going back to this high, which is 1335 from March 18th. If it can break that resistance level, it can continue higher. You don't see it on the chart here, but the 12-month contract session high is 1396 from February 22nd. So we'd be looking for a run up to the 14 even price level. Right now there's light volume. This could be just the holiday. Last week we had the Independence Day holiday in the United States. But like I said, you're getting big ranges, so there's some volatility. So we'll look to see if next week we get that support level test and then a bounce up higher where we can get long. The second chart I want to look at today is August 2019 feeder cattle. Actually, you know what? This is November. This is the November 19. I pushed out to November to give ourselves a little bit of time. What I'm looking at here is a inverted head and shoulders formation. This being the head right here with that 12-month contract low. That 12-month contract low is 132.37.5 on June 25th. Then you have the left shoulder. The right shoulder has not formed yet. So I'm watching for the market to test this upper resistance level, pull back through these moving averages to test this 134 range, and then bounce higher from there. You can see the MACD is already showing the momentum. The upside momentum is stalling out, so looking for a hook down. The trend right now is still slightly bullish. So you can see, well, more than slightly, it is bullish. So you may see this market just break out without that pullback. But ideally, we get this right shoulder in place, which can happen next week, maybe late next week, down in this area, and then see it bounce higher. Like to see the 20-day moving average hook up, along with these indicators to roll back over as well. So I've put up my contact information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by phone, text, or email. If you're not a subscriber to Trade Spotlight, I encourage you to do so. Click on the Daniels Trading webpage, click on Advisories, and the Trade Spotlight button that falls under the Technical Analysis advisories. You can review each segments, although all of them fall in one category. If you subscribe, you're getting all 3 segments. You can subscribe now with that orange button. It's a free trial. For clients of Daniels Trading and mine, it's a free service. If you're not a client of the firm, it's $99 billed quarterly. If you have any questions, reach out on that. But thanks for taking the time to listen to the video, and happy trading.